Hello everyone, myself Devarutagiri, and today we discuss series grouping of capacitor and some basic numerical related on this. Then what is series grouping of capacitor? Consider n capacitors having capacitance C1, C2, C3 up to Cn are connected in series. Means negative plate of one capacitor is connected to positive of another. Negative plate of one capacitor is connected to positive of another capacitor. Positive plate of another capacitor. So the connection is negative to positive, negative to positive, negative to positive connection. This is known as series grouping. Okay. And remember that in series grouping, charge on each capacitor are same. This capacitor C1 has charge Q, and this has charge Q. All are same. And potential difference or the potential drop across each capacitor are different. Means potential difference between the first two plates of the capacitor is V1, another is V2 and V3 and so on up to Vn. Okay, so now let us draw its equivalent figure. So in place of all these n capacitors, use a capacitor that works instead of all these C1, C2, C3 and Cn. So this is known as C equivalent, and this C equivalent is connected to the same battery of potential difference V. This is potential difference V and this is also potential difference V. So we can say this capacitor Ceq is the equivalent of all these capacitors. So now we have to find out the expression for C equivalent. Okay, so as you all see that this is the battery of potential difference V. So this is potential V and this is potential 0, so that the potential difference is V minus 0, that is V. This point has potential V, so this point will also be potential V, and this is 0 and this will be also 0 potential. So you see here the potential difference between this point and this point will be V minus 0, that's equal to V, and that is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 up to Vn. V1 plus V2 up to Vn. Okay, as you all know that capacitance C is charged by potential difference Q by V, potential difference. So C1 will be Q by V1 and C2 is equal to Q by V2. Similarly Cn will be Q by Vn. So in place of V1 we can write V1 equal to Q by C1. You can write V1 is equal to Q by C1, so Q by C1. So in place of V2 we can write Q by C2 up to Q by Cn. Okay, see this figure. This equivalent capacitor is connected to the external battery V, and this has also charge Q. So V, in place of V you can write Q by C equivalent. Q by C, potential is Q by C. So taking Q common in the right hand side, we get Q common 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 up to 1 by Cn. So Q both side cancel out. So the equivalent capacitance 1 by C equivalent is given by 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 up to 1 by Cn. Okay, this is the expression for equivalent capacitance. Okay. So we got the following result that 1 by C equivalent is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 up to 1 by Cn. If C1, C2 up to Cn all are equal and that's equal to C say, then C equivalent will be C by N. See that 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by C up to N times. So this will be N by C. So 1 by C equivalent is N by C. So C equivalent will be C by N. Similarly, if only two capacitors are used, it is C1 and C2, then equivalent capacitance will be 1 by C equivalent equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. So taking LCM, C1 C2, near at C1 plus C2. So C equivalent will be C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. If two capacitors are used in series, then use C equivalent equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So writing here C equivalent will be equal to C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2. Okay. Then comes to the parallel grouping. So in parallel grouping, the positive plate of one capacitor is connected to positive terminal of another and connected to another positive terminal of another. It means the connection are positive positive, means all the positive terminals or the positive plates are connected to positive terminal of the battery, and all these negative terminal are connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This type of connection is known as parallel grouping. And in parallel grouping, charge on each capacitor are different. This is Q1, Q2 and Qn. And see, this is the battery, and potential difference across this battery is V. So this point has potential V, suppose, and this is 0. So potential difference is V minus 0 is V. So this point will also potential V, and this is 0. So this point will be potential at V, and this is 0. This will be at V, and this is 0. This is V, and this is 0. So the potential difference across C1 is V minus 0 is V, and across C2 is V minus 0 is V, across Cn is V minus 0 is V. So you see the charge on each capacitor are different, but potential drop across each capacitor are same. So this is the two main criteria of the parallel grouping. Charge on each capacitor are different and the potential across each capacitor are same. So now we have to find out the equivalent capacitance. So its equivalent figure will be like this. This is a battery of potential difference V, and this is the equivalent capacitance, and it has charge Q. The potential difference across this equivalent capacitance is V. So charge on the equivalent capacitance is Q, and that is equal to the sum of all charges. So Q equal to Q1 plus Q2 up to Qn. As you all know that C capacitance is charged by potential difference V. So we can write C1 is equal to Q1 by V. This implies Q1 is C1V. Similarly, Q2 is equal to C2V, and Qn is equal to CNV. So putting this in this equation, so Q1 is C1V and this is C2V up to CNV, and Q, and this is charge Q on the equivalent capacitance, and C equivalent potential difference across the C equivalent is V. So we can write Q is equal to C equivalent into V, taking V common on the right hand side. So we get C1 plus C2 up to Cn. So V and V cancel out in both sides. So C equivalent is equal to C1 plus C2 up to Cn. This is the expression for equivalent capacitance in parallel grouping. Okay. So we get the conclusion: in parallel grouping, C equivalent is equal to C1 plus C2 up to Cn. If all the capacitors are same, C1 equal to C2 up to Cn, then C equivalent will be N times C. Okay. Let us see a simple example. Question is find, in this type of arrangement, question is find the equivalent capacitance between A and B terminals. Means the battery is connected between A and B, and this is positive and this will be negative. So this is positive terminal, A will be the positive terminal, B will be the negative terminal. So this will be plus and this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus and this will be minus, and this is plus and this will be minus, plus minus plus minus. You see here negative is connected to positive here, and negative is connected to positive. So these two are in series, and these two are in series. Since negative terminal is connected to positive terminal, or you can simply say that this is in one branch. In one branch, two capacitors are used. So these are series grouping. You can easily find it. Okay. So I'm considering only this series grouping and this series grouping. So you see, these two capacitors are used 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad. Unit of capacitor is farad. So 3 microfarad and 6 microfarad are in series. So its equivalent capacitance will be C equivalent will be. You can see that if two capacitors are used, then use C1 C2 by C1 plus C2 in series grouping. So C equivalent is 3 into 6 C1 into C2 by C1 plus C2, C3 plus 6, that's equal to 18 by 9, that's equal to 2 microfarad. So similarly these 6 and 3 are in series, so this will be series, and so C equivalent will be 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3, that's equal to 18 by 9, this is 2 microfarad. And similarly this 4 microfarad is connected in like this is 4 microfarad, and this is positive, this will be positive, and this is negative, because this terminal is positive, so this will be positive and this will be negative. So this is negative terminal, B is negative, so this is negative, it will be positive terminal. You see the two positive terminal is connected to one point, and this two negative is connected to another point. So this connection is positive to positive and negative to negative connection. So this will be parallel grouping. So this is capacitance 2 microfarad, we got it, and this is 2 microfarad. So these two capacitors are in parallel grouping. So its equivalent capacitance will be this 2 microfarad and this 2 microfarad are in parallel, so they simply added. 2 plus 2 is 2 plus 2, that's equal to 4 microfarad, and this is 4 microfarad, and this is 4 microfarad. Okay, this is A terminal, this is B terminal. So A terminal is positive, so this is plus, and after that minus, plus, this is minus, this is plus and minus. So you see that these are this connection is negative to positive. So this is series grouping, or this is connected in a single branch, so it is series. These two are connected um, in multiple branch, not a single branch, then so it will be parallel, and this is series. So this 4 microfarad and this 4 microfarad and this 4 microfarad in series grouping. So and all these capacitance are same 4 4 4. If all these capacitors are same, use C equivalent equal to C by n. N means number of capacitors, so C equivalent here, C equivalent will is equal to C by n, that is 4 by n means number of capacitors 3, so C by 3 microfarad, and this will be the answer. Okay, let's see another example. Find the equivalent capacitance between A and B. Means battery is connected between A and B. Positive terminal is connected to A and negative terminal is connected to B. So this is positive and this will be negative. So this will be positive and this is negative. So this will be positive and this will be negative. Positive first means first plate will be positive and second will be negative. So first plate positive, this is negative, plus and minus, this is plus and minus, plus minus plus minus plus minus plus and minus. So you see these 3 microfarad capacitors, 3 3 and 3 all are in a single branch, so this will be series, or this negative is connected to positive, negative is connected to positive, so these are series. And this 9 microfarad capacitors all are connected in a single branch, so this will be in series grouping. So these are series and these are series, and again these two capacitor 3 microfarad and 1 microfarad are in parallel, means the positive connected to positive and negative connected to negative. So its equivalent figure will be You see, this 3 microfarad and 1 microfarad are in parallel. So in case of parallel grouping, we simply add capacitors. So 3 plus 1, that is 4 microfarad here. And these 3 and 3 are in series. So if and all the capacitors are same, so if C1, C2 up to Cn are same, then use C equivalent is C by N in case of series grouping. C by N, C is 3 and number of capacitor is 3, so 3 by 3, that's equal to 1 microfarad. Similarly, here we get number of capacitor are 3 and each capacitance each capacitor has capacitance 9, so 9 by 3, that's equal to 3 microfarad. And this is 4 microfarad. See here, this will be the 4 microfarad, and these two are in parallel. So in case of parallel grouping, capacitance are simply added. So 3 plus 1 is 4 microfarad, and this is 4 microfarad. You see here, these all are in series grouping, means connected in a single branch. Or this is positive, negative, this will be positive, negative, positive, negative. So negative connected to positive, negative connected to positive. So these are series grouping, and each capacitor has capacitance equal capacitance 4, 4 and 4. So C equivalent will be C by N. C is 4 by N is number of capacitor 3. So equal to 4 by 3 microfarad. This will be the answer. Okay. Let us see another example. Find the equivalent capacitance between A and B of this arrangement. Okay. So this is A will be positive and B will be negative. So first plate from going from A to B, all the first plates are positive. This is positive plate. So the second plate will be negative. So positive, this will be positive, negative, this will be positive, this will be negative, positive and negative. This is plus and minus. Again, going from A, so this will be plus and this will be minus. So this will be plus and this will be minus. Again, plus, this is minus, this is plus and minus. We remember that we starts from A and finally goes to B. Means going from A to B, all the first plates of the capacitor are positive. Going from A to B, all the first plate of the capacitor, each capacitor, positive, and second will be negative since B is negative. Okay, second will be negative. So you see here this arrangement, only in this arrangement, this arrangement is negative to positive connections, or these three in a single branch. So these three are in series grouping. So its equivalent capacitance will be C by N. These are series grouping and all capacitance are same. So C equivalent will be C by N, and C by N means 6 by N means number of capacitor 3 equal to 2 microfarad. So its equivalent will be 2 microfarad. So I am erasing this. So in place of this 6 microfarad capacitor, we can use 2 microfarad capacitor. So this will be positive and this is negative. You see here, these two are in parallel. These two, 4 and 2 microfarad, are in parallel grouping, since positive connected to positive and negative connected to negative. So they are simply added. So in case of parallel grouping, simply add C1 and C2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So in place of 4 and 2 capacitor, we can use 6 equivalent capacitance of 6 microfarad. This is positive and this is negative. Again, see these three. Now these three are in series, since negative connected to positive, negative connected to positive. So these are in series grouping. So its equivalent capacitance will be 6 by 3, that's equal to 2 microfarad. So I am erasing this, and in place of 6 microfarad capacitor, I am adding 2 microfarad capacitor. So this will be 2 microfarad capacitor. 2 microfarad capacitor. Again, these 4 and 2 are in parallel. So in parallel grouping, simply add capacitors are added. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 will be plus and minus 6 microfarad. Now see, this 6 microfarad, this 6 microfarad and 6 microfarad are in series grouping, since negative connected to positive, negative connected to positive, or in a single branch. So C equivalent between A and B will be 6 by 3, that's equal to 2 microfarad, and this is the answer. Okay. Thank you. In the next class we see some complicated examples related on this capacitor series grouping and parallel grouping, and we will discuss about the point methods. Thank you.